This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make DiGiovanni's banana bread. First, mash 3 very ripe bananas in a large bowl until they are smooth. Next, whisk in 2 large eggs and 1/2 cup of melted butter. Then, stir in 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar until well combined. This creates the essential wet base for your delicious loaf. Now, in a separate bowl, let's prepare our dry ingredients. Whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finally, incorporate 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This blend ensures your banana bread rises beautifully and has a wonderful aroma. It's time to bring everything together. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, folding gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Pour the batter into a greased 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once baked, let your banana bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set properly. Then, carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely before slicing. This ensures a perfect texture. Now, you can slice and enjoy your warm, delicious homemade banana bread. It's truly a treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.